Welcome to this charming and inviting home featuring an open concept floor plan with luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout the main living areas and plush carpeting in the bedrooms. A centrally located hallway creates a smart and thoughtful layout, providing separation between the primary suite and the secondary bedrooms. The primary suite includes a private ensuite bath and a spacious walk-in closet. The kitchen is beautifully appointed with granite countertops and a dedicated pantry, while the adjacent laundry room offers ample storage space. Ceiling fans are strategically placed throughout the home, adding both comfort and style. A single-car garage provides everyday convenience, and the home is ideally situated on a street lined with newly constructed properties by the same trusted builder. Located just minutes from Ambler, I-20, and US 83-84.